welcome to digital classes, dear students. Very good morning. Hope so. You all are enjoying these digital classes nowadays. As your term one time is over now, we have started our term two syllabus. In term two syllabus, we have started hydrogen chapter, and today we are going to start the introduction. So let's start, dear student. Today's topic is introduction of unit 9, that is hydrogen. The hydrogen word is not new word for you, as already we have studied the in this particular chapter. First let's discuss about the preview of the chapter, preview of unit 9, what we are going to do from this chapter. So the chapter is divided into two. First part is about hydrogen. We will study position of hydrogen in periodic table. We will study in which electron configuration, similarities and differences with alkali and halogen, or controversial position of hydrogen. Then occurrence of hydrogen we will study. Then isotope of hydrogen, in which isotope of hydrogen, protium, deuterium and tritium is the three isotopes of hydrogen. Then most important is important compounds of hydrogen, that we'll study, in which dihydrogen, hydrides, water, heavy water and hydrogen peroxide are the major important compounds of hydrogen. In which what we will study first preparation of hydrogen, hydrides, water, heavy water and hydrogen peroxide. In which, if I will give the little bit idea about the dihydrogen is a gas hydrogen that is present in our atmosphere. It can be prepared from water, it can prepare from acid, it can prepare from alkali. Side by side, the process which is used to prepare the dihydrogen in commercial, that is called coal gasification. Then hydrides, it is ionic hydride, covalent hydride and metallic hydride. Water can be prepared by reacting H2 with O2. Deuterium is basically that water which is given by Lewis and Donald in 1933, and hydrogen peroxide is given by L.J. Thenard in 1880. It is prepared from sodium oxide, hydroperoxide, with the reaction of water. Then after that we will talk about properties or types. There are physical properties, chemical properties. So physical properties, if we will talk about hydrogen in detail, we will study. Types of covalent hydrides are basic property of hydrides. There is electron deficient hydride, electron precise hydride, electron rich hydride. Whereas water is of two type, dear student, hard water and soft water. अब आप हार्ड वाटर का मतलब आइस नहीं है यहाँ पर, इट इज नॉट आइस. हार्ड वाटर मीन विच इज नॉट soluble, which water get not easily soluble with other substances, and soft water is which can easily dissolve with other element. Okay, that also we will study in detail. If property, we will talk about heavy water, colorless, odorless, tasteless, mobile liquid. Melting boiling point is this much, so you can take screenshot of this and note down. Whereas hydrogen peroxide, then similar way, uses we will study and structure we will study. Okay, so let's start the basic about the hydrogen. Dear student, before going to tell you about more hydrogen, let me tell you from where this hydrogen word has originated. Hydrogen word come from hydra, in which hydra mean water, genus mean maker. It means this is water maker, and it is prepared by Henry Cavendish. The contribution is going to Henry Cavendish in 1766, and it is named it इनफ्लेमेबल एयर. हेनरी कैवेंडिश ने 1766 में इसको इनफ्लेमेबल एयर का नाम दिया, आग जलने वाली एयर. ओके, एंड इज हाइड्रोजन नेम हाइड्रोजन इज गिवन बाय लेबोजियर. सो लेबोजियर contribution is there in the name of hydrogen. So H is of hydrogen, whereas 1 is the atomic number of hydrogen and 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. This is the only element which doesn't have any neutron, only element without neutron. Okay, so atomic mass is proton plus neutron, you know very well, whereas proton is 1, electron is 1, neutron is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1, that's why mass is 1. Whereas there are three isotopes of hydrogen is there: protium, deuterium, tritium. Protium is what is isotope first? It is same chemical, same atomic number but different atomic mass. So you can see here same atomic number 1 1 1, but mass is different 1 2 3. That's why 1 protein, 2 deuterium, 3 tritium. Okay, that's why the isotope is of. Now why it is called unique element? It is unique element because it has these properties. If I will talk about position of hydrogen, so hydrogen is that kind of element, yeah, it is the only element table which is still having controversial position where it can be placed. Although hydrogen is placed in alkali group, group number 1, but it can be placed in halogen group also because it has satisfying both the purposes. Like if I'll talk about hydrogen structure of hydrogen is like this way, only one electron is there. Now if one electron is there, if it gain one electron, then it will become duplet is stable. If it will gain one electron, when it will gain one electron, then it is called its valency is +1. When it will lose one electron, its valency will become -1. After losing, it will become after losing it will become 1. After gaining it will become -1. After gaining one electron, it will become -1. It is similar like halogen group because halogen group also having -1 valency. After losing one electron, it will become like +1. +1 is the valency of alkali group also. So there is controversy whether hydrogen is alkali group member or halogen group member. Okay, why these are similar and different than alkali and halogen, that we need to see. The configuration, if I'll talk, electronic configuration NS1, tendency to lose one electron, that's why it is under alkali group. It is electropositive, that's why it is similar like alkali group. It is having reducing nature, that's why it is group. Whereas its size is very smaller than alkali group. This is difference. Similar way, it lose one electron. If it lose one electron, it will become 0, and 0 is also stable. So that's why it is cupping. It is like halogen. It have tendency to gain one electron to become 2. That's why it is called like halogen group. It is electronegative in nature. It's diatomic in nature because it is giving H2 after gaining one electron, but its size is very smaller than halogen. Because of that, now dear students, today's homework is for you. You need to write the comparison. This is your question. Comparison between alkali and halogen. Comparison of hydrogen in alkali and halogen. Okay, what are the similarities and differentiation of hydrogen, that it is still controversial. Okay, now some of the points about hydrogen that is very important. It is the lightest element in the periodic table. Number 2, it is the first member of periodic table. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. Its atomic form of hydrogen exists only at very high temperature. जो H2 है वो सिर्फ वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर में ही अवेलेबल होता है, लाइक इन सन, नियर द सन द गैस इज हाइड्रोजन. Elemental form is H2. It is not H3, H4, it is H2, which is called dihalogen hydrogen also. It form covalent bond also. It form biological compound, organic compound. It is present in acid. It is present in basic compounds. If we will talk about importance, its importance is very much in industrial and our daily life. It's a very good fuel also, rocket fuel. In global energy crisis, which is whole world is facing nowadays, in present days, that global energy crisis can be overcome by use of hydrogen as a source of energy. It is very, very, I can say it is the future source of energy of our earth. If the people are utilizing the hydrogen in a proper way, it can produce very much source of energy. Sun is made up of hydrogen, which is ultimate source of energy. H2O is due to hydrogen only. If water is present in earth, that is because of hydrogen only. Okay, so this is all about the today's topic, which is hydrogen, introduction of hydrogen. You have to note down this in your notebook. In the same way, you will not write the notebook of the notes of your book. You have to write the notes of the video. Okay, tomorrow we are going to do all the important compound of hydrogen, in which I made this chart. With the help of this table, we will understand. It will help us to I can say to compare the each compound also. Whereas dihydrogen, water, oxide and hydrogen peroxides, these are basically 4 compounds, 1 is hydrides, 5 compounds. Okay, so till my next video, take care, stay home, stay safe, and keep enjoying these videos. And I am requesting you, please watch this video through YouTube channel, comment the in YouTube channel for understanding or not, and which student have today conference call day, that student will make the video. Which student which day is there for conference call, the same group will prepare the video after watching my video, a small video as a student reflection. This is a reminder for you, and those students who will not follow these instructions, we will consider them as absent. Okay, so thank you, and thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye.